Welcome everybody to GoLocal Live. I'm Josh Fenton, CEO and co-founder. Little programming notes. We're going to get started with the head of the Haitian Project Skyping in for a discussion about how that school is dealing with the coronavirus and opportunities for you to support that educational initiative. But Dr. Fine will be on at 12 noon today, giving some updated information that he's learned relative to the state's response to the coronavirus. And at 1 p.m., Governor Raimondo is scheduled to come back with her daily briefing. A little news overnight, U.S. is now growing the number of cases at an alarming rate, and obviously the number of deaths is getting quite concerning. All that data is on the updated 7 major developments to look at, and probably the most concerning numbers, excuse me, continue to come out of Italy, where that death toll continues to climb over 10,000, over 11,000, I believe now, but an 11% mortality rate. Concerning numbers continue to come out of Italy. Spain just crossed over 8,000 as well. So those are 2 hot spots to be aware of. Let's go to the Haitian Project. Reese, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me, Josh.
You have the small task of taking over for Deacon Moynihan at the Haitian Project. He helped lead that organization, founded out of a church here in Providence, Rhode Island, a school that's been in place in Haiti, educating folks for 30 years, right?
Yeah. We've been incorporated in the state of Rhode Island for 35 years. As you said, we have a school in Haiti. It's called Louverture Cleary School. And we are actually embarked on a plan to build a network of 10 schools, so 9 additional schools. Louverture Cleary is a tuition-free Catholic co-ed secondary boarding school. It's outside of Port-au-Prince, and it provides for the education of academically talented students whose families can't afford to send them to school. And the goal in that is to work in collaboration with our colleagues in Haiti to maximize these young men and women's potential and help them become the future leaders of Haiti.
Impressive numbers out of the school. 90% go on to higher education, I believe, is the number,
Yeah.
and then 90% stay in Haiti, helping to build a middle class. Haiti is
Exactly.
one of the poorest countries in the world, and it's under the impact of the coronavirus. Schools have had to close. Talk about what's that been like to have to close the school.
Yeah, that news was actually really hard to receive when the ministry directed all the schools to close about a week and a half ago. You can imagine in Haiti that a boarding school such as ours that serves a very poor population, it can be a haven for these students, a strong community of support for them. So it was difficult to send them home. But as a fully accredited Haitian school, it's not a mission school. We don't run it directly. We are working in collaboration with our partners in Haiti who run the school. Again, it's fully accredited. We have to follow the directives of the ministry. The Haitian Project has always taken pride in working with and through institutions, not around them. So, but it was very hard to say goodbye to the students that day. But we look forward to being there for them when the schools can reopen.
Reese, you take arguably the wealthiest country in the world, the United States. The implication has been profound. Rhode Island may hit, is probably at about 15%, and may hit 20% unemployment over the next couple of weeks. An unheard of number, a crippling economic impact. In Haiti, where I don't remember the exact number, it is a disturbingly low average household income of a few $100s on an annual basis. What's this mean for folks in Haiti?
I think generally what it means is that the steps we're taking, as you said, here in the U.S., that we hope will have a great effect on diminishing the effect of the COVID-19 epidemic, are trying to be applied in Haiti, it appears. But if you can imagine, social distancing in Haiti would be very difficult, even impractical in terms of a concept. Houses are very close together. They're open to the air all the time, generally. And they're not set up to handle isolation of individuals. So people in Haiti go to the market every day for food. They're, as you said, a few $100s a year might be what a whole family is subsisting on. Most people barely get by on daily provisions. They only have the money to go to the market each day, buy what they need. They don't have refrigerators for storage. So, that's a very hard concept to apply to Haiti. So it being very difficult to look outside our own situations right now, very challenging here, especially with New York City being so close and some of the numbers you were saying before. But what we're trying to do at the Haitian Project is really focus on our long-term mission. Keep that in mind. And education is really for long-term change in Haiti. So that means we're being focused on maintaining our employees, both here in the U.S. and our colleagues at the school in Haiti. And being ready to welcome our students back once the schools reopen.
Reese, you're part of a United Way effort that is trying to raise really millions, but especially on April 1st, a substantial sum planned before this crisis, but $1 million on April 1st. You are one of the nonprofits participating. Everyone, I think, is both stressed by the future of their own economic situation, but also in a tremendous outpouring in Rhode Island of wanting to help others simultaneously. If that unemployed chef is in distress here, folks in Haiti and the educational structure is even more so. How can people help the Haitian Project by participating in this initiative?
Yeah, sure. So as you say, Rhode Island is a very strong community. It has a very strong nonprofit community. And nonprofits are a significant employer in the state. And the continued support of this sector is really important even at this time. So 401 Gives is a statewide day of online giving. As you said, their goal is to raise $1 million on April 1st, which is tomorrow. And it's a special day of giving through an initiative, the United Way of Rhode Island, for nonprofits based in or providing services in Rhode Island. So if you go to their website, 401gives.org, you'll find lists of organizations that includes ours, but many other local nonprofits that are doing good and vital work in the state. It's running for 24 hours, so beginning tomorrow at 6 a.m. and going through just before 6 a.m. the next day. So it's a really, really cool opportunity for people to take advantage of some neat things like a match from the Rhode Island Foundation, some other incentives throughout the day to make their giving go even farther in the state.
Reese, thank you so much for joining us on GoLocal Live today. Congratulations on the tremendous work that the organization has done in Haiti. We'd had your predecessor on numerous times. Always an interesting interview, as I can imagine working with him. Your last word.
We do interesting work.
Your last word on how important this charitable initiative is.
Sure. I think, again, it comes at a really vital time. As you said, people in the United States and the world, but especially right here in Rhode Island, are demonstrating how much they care for each other. And it's a really great opportunity, really easy. You go on the website, 401gives.org again, and you can find the nonprofits that are close to your heart. You can find other initiatives. If you're interested in long-term education, the Haitian Project's right there. And it's a really wonderful way for Rhode Islanders to come together at this time and support this really important sector that employs a lot of people in Rhode Island.
Great. Reese, thanks so much. Everybody check out 401 Gives, the United Way initiative to raise $1 million tomorrow to help support charities throughout Rhode Island and the world, really, that have Rhode Island connections. Thanks for joining us. Again, 12 noon, Dr. Fine, 1 p.m., Governor Raimondo. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in.
Thank you, Josh.